In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a Google Meet link that you can go ahead and share. And I'm going to be showing you how you can do this on your mobile phone. So I'm on the Google Meet app, and this is very straightforward and simple. It's not going to take up too much of your time. It says here, get a link you can share. Tap new meeting to get a link you can send to people you want to meet with. So you can see at the top there, it says new meeting and then join with a code. Now, the easiest way to get a link to share with someone on Google Meet is to tap on the new meeting button. Now it says get a meeting link to share, but that is the more complicated way to do it. What you want to go ahead and do is just start an instant meeting. So tap on that. And you can see now this is my meeting and it says share this meeting link with others you want in the meeting. And you can just go ahead and copy that link. It says copied meeting link. And then you can go ahead and share that meeting link with whoever you want to join the meeting. So that's pretty straightforward and simple to do, nothing much to it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Meet tutorials. Take care.